Hi students, this is Mr. Lee. Again I welcome you in the practice session of listening. Today I am going to speak some sentences which are of apostrophe S. Let us listen it and keep your mind there to understand properly. This is Rekha's pen. Ramesh is Madan's brother. Mr. Sharma is Ram's father. This is Hari's hand. That is Rita's sister. This is Sanjay's ball. This is Mr. Tiwari's servant. That is Syam's sledge. Mr. Sinha is Kumud's father. So this way you can understand apostrophe S. Now we will listen some sentences of post, profession, caste, religion and nationalities. Let us listen. Mr. Sharma is a writer. Mr. Mohan is a teacher. Radha is a doctor. Suman is a nurse. Mr. Gandhi is the Prime Minister. He is an artist. Mr. Sharma is a clerk. He is an actor. You are a lawyer. Ramesh is a magician. Mr. Prasad is a novelist. He is a minister. Now we will listen the sentences based on the words here, there, and, in, and on. Like, I am here. Mr. Sharma is there. Lalan's brother is there. This girl is Geeta and that boy is Shyam. My brother is in that room. Ramesh's cap is on his head. Mr. Gupta is here. My father is there. This ball is here and that ball is there. My pencil is in my bag. My watch is on the table. Mukul is here. Now we will listen the sentences of it, what, where, these, those. It is my shirt. That is my bag. What is it? What is that? Where is your book? These are my horses. Those are your books. This is my pen. That is your book. What is your name? Where is my dog? Whose are these letters? These are their cups. Those are their friends, etc. Now we will listen the sentences of these and those with plural nouns. Let us start it. These horses are black. Those girls are here. Those cups are white. Those classrooms are big. Mohan and Rahim are here. These boys are in the garden. Those mangoes are in the basket. These are shops. Those are books. These girls are Kamla and Rekha. These cows are red. So dear students, do you know listening is the best exercise for learning anything. Whatever you have learned, this is through listening and by watching the things. So, this is a kind of ear training. You are training your ears to listen English properly, which will make you a brilliant speaker later. It will make you understand even the advanced English in coming time, and you will be able to speak very fluently. It will be helpful in writing, reading, and everything. It will also lead you to a great path of learning English. So I hope you will keep the regularity and you will keep listening. This will help you a great lot. So thanks a lot for watching. Keep on watching, like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.